Today we're going to begin with Project 1.8 Build a Body. In this app, you will learn about the design process and how apps can be very useful for education. They can help you introduce content, reinforce content, and allow students to practice new skills in a fun, interactive environment. For this project, you will design and build an app to help middle school students learn where the different organ systems are located in the human body. Along with the design process, your team will use pair programming and the skills you learned so far to create the Build a Body app for the students. A design brief is a written plan that identifies a problem, its criteria, as well as its constraints. The design brief is used to encourage thinking about all aspects of a problem before attempting solution. The key components of a design brief are as follows. First, we have the client. Then we have the target consumer. Then we have a problem statement, a design statement, design requirement or criteria, then our deliverables, as well as any constraints that may be placed on our app. Let's take a closer look at the specifics for our design brief. The client in our case is going to be a life science teacher. The target consumer, who we're going to be developing this app for, is going to be any type of middle school student. The problem statement identifies what problem our client is having. In this case, a middle school life science teacher is describing the anatomy of the human body and wants an engaging and interactive way for students to learn where the different body system and organs are located. The design requirement is what we will do as the developers in order to answer or solve that problem. In this case, we are going to design, build, and test an app called Build a Body app. That features a drag and drop activity that will help students practice placing organ body systems in the correct location on an outline of the human body. Requirements that our app must follow are known as design requirements or criteria. In our case, our app must include an outline of the human body. It must include at minimum the following body systems and organs: the brain, urinary system, digestive system, and respiratory system with the heart. We must allow for our users to drag the organ body system with their fingers to the correct locations on the human body outline. When a user drags an organ body system to the correct location on the human body outline, it should stay in one place on that human body outline. If a user does not drag an organ body system to its correct location on the human body outline, the organ body system must return to its original location on the screen. The user will gain 1 point for every correct placement of the organ body system onto the human body outline. Include a reset button to reset the score to 0 and return the organs to their original location on the screen. Include one of the following additional features. Decrement the score whenever a user places an organ body system in the wrong location on the body outline. Include a timer that counts from 30 seconds down and ends the game when it gets to 0. Include a solution button that shows the organ body system in their correct location on the human body outline. Must display a description of the functionality of the organ body system when a user clicks it. Read your organ body system descriptions for more information. The deliverables for this project are as follows. You must summarize and document all work done at each step of the design process. Your documentation should include any written work, sketches, and flowcharts that you created during this process. The only constraint placed on you for this project is the app has to be created using MIT App Inventor.